client ID and a client secret, and that is what you need to put into the plugin here. So here's a client ID and a client secret. What we need to do is this link here, Getting Started Guide, sign up for a free Xero account, very straightforward. Enable the demo company. What that means is enabling the demo company basically in the back to the last organization down in here. You can switch between plugin and demo, but it's not enabled until you actually click on it. So now we're in the demo company and it's got demo transactions in it, which is great. So if you don't enable the demo company, you just don't have the demo company when you sign in. That's it. And then in here, under app management, so we're in a different URL. We're not in the Xero app anymore. We're in the developer side. When you log into the developer place, let's log in. You log into the developer place. I think it takes you directly to app manage. Let's just check. But anyway, you go to app manage. No, okay. It takes you straight to app manage. You create an app. I've done it already. But if I wanted to create a new one, I'd go new app. The one you want to choose is this one. You need to put an A redirect URL. So this can be anything. I would put in just in this case I'd just put in that URL. Let's have a look, that URL. But this one's really important. You can fix it later. But the value you want to put in there is basically the links to this page here. So so I would put in it's Xero OAuth underscore redirect. So in here I would put in Xero OAuth underscore redirect. We're actually going to need, and make sure you get the spelling right. OAuth, OAuth. So you get all of that right. Create an app. Must not conflict with certified app. I'm not sure what that means. Okay, it just needs to be a unique name. Create it. That's optional. The bit that is vital is these redirect URLs. So you'll need a few. You'll need that one, and they have to be exactly right. So there's that. We'd want that one. So that's the test one. That's the live one. And there's a save button. I often forget to do save. And here is the client secret, client ID. You can copy that. And here's the client secret. So that's the client ID and the client secret. And that is what you need to put in here. And yeah, that's how you get the client ID, client secret. The bit that is very easy to get wrong is getting these paths right. So these have to be exactly right. So if I did, I'm pretty sure that if I did that will not work, and you'll get an error in the logs in here. You get a reasonably good log in one of these steps 1, 2, and 3, and 4. I think that's probably step 4, and you'll see an error. And it'll say referrer is not permitted. It's kind of a weird message, but it basically means these redirect URLs, might say redirect URLs are not permitted. You've got to get these right. You can have as many as you want, and the problem is they're kind of hard coded. So if you were running versions, you'd have to put the versions in here as well.